From lattes and playful paws at a cat cafe to a beautiful home in Fayetteville's historic Haymount district, today's feature is all about heart, lifestyle, and local charm. My name is Ute Beltate, your host with American Dream TV. We are here at the Farmer's Cat Cafe. Last year, the siblings Andy and Gina turned this idea into reality right here in the heart of Fayetteville, North Carolina. Let's go ahead and meet Gina Lazo. I'm here with Gina. Gina, thank you so much for having us today.
Thank you for stopping by.
Of course.
Appreciate it.
I am so excited because I'm a cat lover myself. I'm excited to see how this cat cafe has come just in a very short time, such a long way. So my question is, where did the original idea for the Farmer's Cat Cafe come from? And do you remember the exact moment where you realized Fayetteville needs a cat cafe?
Yes. My brother is also the co-owner of the Farmer's Cat Cafe. His name is Andy Iglesias. He is the one that brought up the idea to me, presented it to me. He is military, so on one of his deployments, his wife, Michelle, brought him to a cat cafe.
What was some of the biggest challenges that you faced before opening the doors? And was there a moment where you were unsure if this is even going to work out?
It took a while just to get all those permits, and now it's going to be 1 year in February 19th of 2026 that we are here. Thank God, by the grace of God. No, there was not a moment that we thought it wouldn't work. We knew it was going to work, just because everybody loves cats. Everybody loves animals. Yes. We all like-minded people, and we definitely wanted it to be a successful business in helping our furry friends.
Just a few minutes away, we are trading coffee cups and playful paws for history. Welcome to the historic Haymount district, one of Fayetteville's oldest and most cherished neighborhoods. With tree-lined streets, cozy historic homes, Haymount blends the city's rich past with modern living. Let's meet my son Ty Beltate and visit one of Fayetteville's beautiful, charming homes in the heart of Haymount. Hi, Ty. Thank you so much for meeting us here today. Can you tell us a little bit about this beautiful historic gem here?
Yeah, of course. Thank you for having me.
Sure.
So this home right here is located in the heart of Haymount, one of my favorite areas personally. This home itself is built in 1922 and has so much character for its old age, bringing in that modern feel once again. So the kitchen itself offers soft close shaker cabinets and luxury vinyl floors. Probably one of my favorite parts is that kitchen. When you walk into the living room, you have the vaulted ceilings, really creating that open feel. And the bedroom itself has an owner's suite, bringing some style and modern living together. Located in Fayetteville's most beloved neighborhoods, you're minutes from downtown, minutes from restaurants and shops, and you're in the heart of Haymount, and that's what makes this so special.
Thank you, Ty, for giving us a great insight into this beautiful home. It's definitely a gem here in Haymount, in one of the most attractive areas here in Fayetteville because of its age and history. Thank you again. Thank you so much for joining me today. I hope you enjoyed the show. I am your host, Ute Beltate, and I cannot wait for you to join me next time from our all-American city, Fayetteville, North Carolina, right here on American Dream TV.